Where you going with the orange, Jayda? Where you going with the orange? Oh boy.
Uh-oh. This?
Hey Jayda, what happened to you going to bed? It's about to be 11 o'clock. Huh? Huh? You night-night? Night-night?
Jayda, it's time to go night-night.
I'm no expert, but that don't look like night-night.
Put the orange back. Put the orange back.
What? Oh boy.
It's time to go night-night.
It's time to go night-night.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again, baby Jayda. I don't know what you're grabbing. You plan on grabbing that. Oh no, what's she gonna get?
Dog food.
No. No. No dog food.
You can't have that. Mom? Mom? Victory!
No, I don't want any. You're not getting any either.
You gonna put it back? Please?
Here we are wasting money on toys for her birthday.
Mama, give me.
We could have just got her dog food. You gotta put it away. Time to go night-night. The hell the dog just eat? The dog is snacking on something. We got a shot of mommy's toes. Let me tell you one thing. You better not take no dog food away from that baby. What the hell's gonna eat now? Yeah. Big ball energy.
Jayda, mommy's sleepy.
Yeah, you can sleep in tomorrow. We gotta go to work.
Babe, how'd you get to sleep in?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Come on, baby,
Alright,
we gotta go
baby
night-night.
Jayda. That's gonna do it for your reign of terror. Happy birthday. No, get out of there. Get her out of there.
Come on, girl.
Alright, you're getting into trouble now, baby Jayda.
Mommy. Mommy.